everybody, welcome to Dojo Go. I'm Master Kelly. I want to welcome you guys to this YouTube lesson. Now before we get started, make sure you guys like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Now let's get started with our warm-up. Alright, we'll start with jumping jacks. Repeat after me. I'm going to say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Awesome. Start rotating arms. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. Going the other way. Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Awesome. We're going to warm up with some punches. Okay, so we're going to go jab crosses just like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Now this time do some uppercuts. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. Some knees this time. Right and left. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good. One last one. Reaching for your toes. Just hang like this. Ready? Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Good job. And come back up. All right. Shake your hands. Shake out your legs. Chariot. Ganyan. Hi everybody. In this part of the lesson today, we're going to practice a question mark kick. Now what's a question mark kick? Well, it's like a round kick with a twist. Okay? So here are the requirements for question mark kick. You have to know two kicks. Push kick and round kick. That's it. Okay? Here's what a question mark kick looks like. I want you to tell me if you can see what I did differently. Okay? What's different about this kick? Ready? Okay, I'll show you again from this angle. Alright, what did I do first? Okay? Okay, so if you said my knee went up first, you're correct. Now when you do a round kick, look what I do. I put my knee to the side, right? And then I kick. When I do a question mark kick, I pick my knee straight up, and then I turn and kick at the same time. Now what's the purpose of this kick? Well, kind of like our scissor kicks, it's a trick, right? So if I throw my knee up like this, what kick is mostly gonna happen? A push kick, right? So if I do a push kick like this, well, push kick, right? And let's say my opponent, they start dropping their hands to block the push kick. Now I know, all right, here's my setup. I pick this knee up, and then I turn my foot around for the question mark kick. Okay, now, this kick's a little difficult to practice, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna use the wall. Okay, use the wall. So we're gonna pick up our knee like this. Now all we're gonna practice is turning our hips. That's all we're gonna practice for today, okay? We're gonna practice this knee up, and we're gonna practice turning our hips. Just like that, okay? So, a bigger knee up like this. Good, nice. Now, as you turn, it's important that your foot on the ground also turns with you, okay? You don't want to start round kicking with your foot staying here. You want to also pivot every time, okay? We'll do 5 on this side and 5 on this side. Ready? Knee straight up, and we'll say hana. Good job. Do it. Good job. Set. Good. Net. Toss it. Good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's do the other side now. Pick up your knee straight up. Ready? And hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Awesome. Very good work. Now, what I want you guys to do is when you're practicing this kick, okay? If you can't kick high, kick low. There's nothing wrong with that. Kick low first. It's better to start low and then work your way up than to try to kick high every time. The reason why is because of this kick, it might feel a little funny on your knees. Okay, I know for me, I'm older now, so I feel everything in my knees. So when you're doing this kick, start low. Once that feels like pretty effortless, pretty easy, then you work your way up. Okay? I highly recommend you do that. You're gonna get there faster because you're taking your time. Okay? Hope you guys get ready for today. I'll see you in the next part of the lesson. Awesome job, you guys. Well, let's see what our Tabata exercises will be for today. All right, looks like these are the 3 exercises we're going to do. Now remember, Tabata is 20 seconds of go, followed by 10 seconds of rest. So make sure when it's time to go, you push yourself as hard as you can, and when it's time to rest, take a deep breath, catch your breath, so you're ready to attack it again, okay? I'll see you guys there.
I'm Master Kelly. I got a really quick announcement for you guys today. So on August 15th, we're releasing a brand new program called Samurai for Christ. Samurai for Christ is a Catholic online homeschool martial arts curriculum. It'll have your kids go from white belt all the way to our lady's favorite color, the blue belt. Now what makes this program unique is that your kids are going to be learning 9 different forms named after warrior saints. And in this program, your kids are not only going to be learning the moves of martial arts, but they're also going to be learning about the lives of the saints, and also are going to engage in St. Ignatius mental prayer. So I'm going to go step by step how to do mental prayer for kids. It's a fantastic way for kids to grow, not only just become more calm, control their emotions, but also grow in the spiritual life, right? Which ultimately is the most important thing. So if you guys are interested and you want to sign up for that program, click those links down below for more information. I'll see you guys in the next lesson.
Hey homeschool parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I'd like to introduce to you our very own website called dojogotv.com. Our website will give you access to family-friendly kids martial art lessons and exclusive courses updated throughout the year away from YouTube. This means no ads or suggested videos. Each series inside the app will take your kids on an interactive storyline that will help them not only learn the moves of martial arts, but have lots of fun along the way. If you'd like to support Dojo Go and all future content, please consider becoming a member of dojogotv.com.
Awesome job, you guys. All right, let's finish up the class today with the cool down. I want everyone to go ahead, go down on one knee like this. We're gonna stretch out our hip, okay? So I'm gonna take your hand on your hip like this. I want you guys to go ahead, push yourself forward. Okay, now we're gonna count to 10 in Korean for pisa. Nice nod after me. I'm gonna say hana, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna take one foot, we're gonna pick up our knee just like this, and then we're gonna put our hands on the ground to keep ourselves stable, stretching out our quad muscle right here. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome job, you guys. All right, now this time we're gonna stretch out this leg. Okay, stretching out our hamstring, reaching for your toes. So everyone together, everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. Let's turn to the other side this time. Ready? Now we're gonna stretch our hip on this side. Good. Now make sure you don't forget to breathe. Okay? Ready? Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good, nice. Now we're gonna take this foot, we're gonna stretch it out just like this. Good, awesome. All right, let's together say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, awesome. All right, now keeping this leg straight, toes pointing up, stretching out our hamstring. Ready? Good. I'm leaning down, reaching for your toes. I'm gonna say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, and up. Good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time we're gonna go down to our stomach just like this, and we're gonna stretch out. We stretch our upper body just like this. Okay? And we say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. Yeah, good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now this time, here's what we're going to do, okay? We're gonna be on our knees like this. We're gonna stretch out our wrists. I want you guys to take your hands just like this. Turn them upside down. Place them on the mat gently on the ground. And then very slowly lean back. Don't go too quick. But really slowly lean back. Okay? And let's say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, Either. Bubble. Yeah, awesome. Now we're gonna take our fingers. We're gonna go this way now. Fingers down. Good. Now leaning back slowly. Everyone say hana. Do it. Set. Net. Asit. Yasit. Yugo. Either. Bubble. You're awesome. All right, shake your hands. Shake it out just like this. I'm gonna take one hand, put it on the side of your head like this. We're gonna stretch out the side of our neck here. Repeat nice loud after. Be really gentle. Pull. Then we'll say hana. Dur. Set. Net. Asit. Yasit. Virgo. Either. Aho. Yeah, good job. Other side now. Stretching out your neck. Then say hana. Dur. Set. Net. Asit. Yasit. Virgo. Either. Aho. Yeah, good, awesome. Now this time, hands at the back of your head here, stretching your neck down. And say hana. Dur. Set. Net. Asit. Yasit. Virgo. Either. Aho. Yeah, awesome. Good job. Relax your neck, relax your shoulders a little bit. Very good job, you guys. Awesome. All right, now we got a couple more stretches, some standing ones. Don't take your feet together just like this. I want you guys just to hang. Just hang down like this. No counting. Hold this position. Good. 5 more seconds. And slowly come up. Awesome. Great job, you guys. Ready yet? And yeah.
Hey parents, are you looking for a fun way to get your kids more active, more resilient, more confident, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, founder and creator of Dojo Go, the complete online homeschool martial arts curriculum. If your kids have never done martial arts before, we've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the 6-week Kids Transformation Martial Arts course. The purpose of this program is to give homeschool families just like you the life-changing benefits of martial arts all online for ages 4 to 12 years old. As a homeschooler myself, I had the opportunity to meet many other homeschoolers at co-op. And I know for a fact that finding an activity like martial arts can be difficult either because A, there aren't any homeschool programs that offer it, B, the schedule doesn't work out, and C, it's really expensive. We created this program because for over 10 plus years, we've helped many children make complete life-changing transformations with our martial arts programs. And we want to extend that opportunity for you as homeschool parents now. But our videos aren't just some follow-along videos you can find on YouTube. These videos take your kids through a 6-week interactive martial arts story. Meet Dojo, the orange belt monkey whose very first white belt was stolen by the evil scientist Dr. Fist. Every week the kids will learn different self-defense techniques, martial arts terminology, and gain strength and flexibility with 30-minute videos 3 times per week. All for the purpose of defeating Dr. Fist's minions, and maybe even Dr. Fist himself. Included with the videos are worksheets, a fully printable calendar, a map for the kids to follow along their progress, and an opportunity to test for their very first white belt in uniform at the end of 6 weeks with me personally via video call. Excited to start? Click the link below to join our program now.